Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, my dear students. Here is your mathematics teacher, Muhammad Amjad Saeed, from Pakistan International School, Taif, Saudi Arabia. And I hope that you will be all okay. And you had the previous lecture, number 27. I think you have revised that, and it will be easy for you to understand for the next exercise. Today we are going to continue our lecture number 28. In case of topic of logic, we had the truth tables and their types and equality of the different types of actions or logic. First of all, exercise 2.4, write the converse, inverse and contrapositive. Last time I told you about these things. Exercise 2.4, question number 1. Given conditionals, then converse, inverse and contrapositive. Suppose given conditional given to us is not P to Q. Number 1, not P to Q. I told you about converse that you have to reverse this. Simply reverse. Q to not P. Q to not P. Inverse says change. Apply not on both sides. Not plus not is plus, just like minus minus plus. P to not Q. Inverse says P to not Q. And contrapositive is opposite of that. The reverse of that. This is not Q to P. Similarly, we have part number 4, not Q to not P. Not Q to not P. So in case of converse, change the positions. Not P to not Q. Not P to not Q. And after that, inverse says you have to apply not on both sides. So it will be Q to P. Minus minus plus. Not is just like negative sign. Not is just like complement. Complement is alternate second possibility. Alternate second possibility means plus to minus and minus to plus. Here is contrapositive opposite of that. This is P to Q. After that, I think you understood these conditionals, and you can do the other parts by yourself. After that, we have next question. Yes? Before we start our next question, my dear students, listen to me very carefully. It will help you to understand the logics. For example, A is you and B is your friend. A is you and B is your friend. We want to make the logic between different actions. True means you are at home and your friend is also at home. If you want to meet him, you go to your friend and you can meet. Yes. It means that T to T is T. A is you, B is your friend, you are at home, he is at home, if you want to meet him, he is at home and he can meet you. So in this way, your answer is T. T to T is T. This is your logic for the truth table. You understand that? First, I hope that you are understanding that T to T is T. You are going to meet your friend. He is at home, so you can meet him. T to F. You are going to meet your friend and he is not at home. Can you meet him? No. So T to F is F. Okay. You are going to meet your friend. He is not at home. So can you meet him? No. No possibility. So T to F is F. Remember that these are the actions of your truth table. I am concluding these things. T to T is T, T to F is F, and after that, F to T. Your friend is waiting at home. You did not go. Even if you can go to your friend, can you meet him? Yes, you can meet him. So it means that F to T is T. He is waiting for you. You did not go. Whenever you want to go, he is at home. He is waiting for you. So you can meet him. Here is F to F. F to F. You are not at home. Your friend is not at home. Both are outside the home, so they can meet in Hadika, in park. You can meet at park. Yes, you can do it this way. So F to F is T. Dear students, this is the logic between you and your friend, and in this way we can make the truth table. And we will not discuss like that, but you will keep these information in your mind. T to T is T, T to F is F, F to T is T, F to F is T. Don't mix this implies sign with and or. Sometimes students think these things are similar. No, not at all. Here, or is union. This is intersection. Remember, I told you already. This is union. In case of union, anyone present in one set, it will be coming in union. But in case of intersection, so both must be in the set. That's the way that you can get them in intersection. Implies is this one. This is the logic of implies. This is the logic. So these are different actions applied in our human nature and in our human actions, so that we can use them in the logics. I hope that you understood this example for the logics. T to T is T, T to F is F, F to T is T, and F to F is T. Truth. In the truth table you can have. Now you come to this question number 2. Construct truth table for the following statements. Construct truth tables for the following statements. Number 1 is, we have P to not P or P to Q. P to not P or P to Q. Okay. Dear students, first of all, you can check the possibilities. How many possibilities are there? There are two possibilities, P and Q. How many possibilities are there? There are two possibilities, P and Q. If we have three possibilities, P, Q and R, then you will have another thing. If there are two possibilities, you will write down 2 power 2, that is 4. There are total 4 options in logics. Again I am repeating, if you have two possibilities P and Q, then you will have the total number of options is 2 power 2, that is 4. And if for example you have 3 options, 2 power 3 is equal to 8. Total option will be 8. So in this way, first of all, we will write down according to this statement. Make the column of P and Q and not P, P, Q, not P, then P to not P, then P to Q, separately P, Q, not P, P to not P, P to Q, and at the end P to not P or, this is all, or P to Q. Remember that this or mean union. I told you, or mean union and mean intersection. I told you there are two possibilities. This is 2 power 2, 4, total 4 possibilities. In case of total 4 possibilities, we have first logic 50% true and 50% false. First is 50% true. There are total 4. 2 times true and 2 times false. This is 50% true, 50% false. In case of second Q, then you will have the further half of that. 50% of 50%. This is TF. 2 times true, 2 times false. Here is Q. This is 50% of 50%. 50% of 50% mean TF and TF. Okay, now not P. Not P is opposite of P. If P is true, not P is false. And if P is true, not P is false. P is false, not P is true. Definitely you are not at home, it means that you are outside. Similarly, F and this is D. P to P, P to not P. Remember, P to not P. Remember, I told you this is the logic implies. This is P and this is not P. What about T to F? T to F. Can you meet your friend? No, he is not at home. T to F is F. Again, T to F. F. F to T. He is waiting. F to T. T. Then P to Q. Look. P to Q. P to Q here. P to Q. T to T. T. T to F. F. F to T. T. F to F. T. Here is union. Remember that this is union. Now you can take these two columns and take union. Union means if true is one and F is other, then in case of union, both will be combined and it will be true. F, T and this is true. F and F union, no, because not in this will not be in union. T and T, T, T and T is T. So dear students, that was your truth table of part number 1. In this way, I hope that you understand P, Q, not P, P to not P, P to Q, and then take a union at the end, last. After that, because there are two possibilities, there is 2 power 2 is 4. Total number of possibilities are 4. So 50% true, 50% false. Here, 50% of 50%. 50% true and 50% false mean TF and TF. Not P is opposite of P. Just like complement. If somebody is at home, he is not outside. And if somebody is not at home, he is outside. So in this way, P and not P is false. This is T and this is F. F and this is T, F and T. P to not P, P to not P, T to F, F. Your friend is not at home, you cannot beat him. T to F is F, T to F is F, F to T, waiting, T, F to T is T. Similarly, P to Q, T to T is T, T to F, F, F to T is T, and F to F is T. So in this way, you have taken this union. By the way, what type of this truth table is? Yes. What type of truth table is? I told you about the last column. I told you about the last column. That something will be true and something false. So this is the mix. So that's why it is known as contingency. I told you some parts true, some false, contingency. All true, tautology, and all false, contradiction. After that, you can do part number 2, I think. Inshallah, we are going to have part number 3. Part number 3 is not P to Q, not P to Q, double imply P and not Q, P and not Q. Okay, P and not Q. Dear students, first of all, something is seen. P and Q we have. Then here is not Q. Here we will have not Q. After that, P to Q. P to Q. And the next is not P to Q. Not P to Q. Yes, not P to Q. And then P and not Q. According to the informations, this is P and not Q. And after that, not P to Q implies this one. Not P to Q implies P and not Q. Then this was from left to right. Here we will have right to left. P and not Q to not P to Q. Not P to Q. and at the end, not P to Q, double imply P and not Q. Dear students, actually we have to make according to our statements. Given conditional, here is like this. Again we have two possibilities, P and Q, P and Q. There are total number of possibilities of 4. So one time P is taken 50% true, 50% false. Q is taken half of 50%. So not Q. This is true, that's why it is false. False, it is true. This is true and false because we are applying not, opposite. P to Q. What about P to Q? T to T is T, T to F is F. F to T is T, F to F is T. Here is not P to Q. Here was P to Q. Not being opposite of that. Reverse of that. Here is F, T, F and F. F converted to T because of not and T converted to F. P and not Q. Remember that and mean intersection. Present in both, then it will be true. Listen, P and not Q. This is P, this is not Q. T, F, F. T and T, yes, T. F and F, this is F. Remember, it is intersection, not imply. Then P and not Q. F and T, this is F. Now, not P to Q to P and Q. Remember, this is not P to Q to P and not Q. This to this, F to F is T. T to T is T, F to F is T, F to F is T. Now from, this was from left to right, now right to left. P and not Q to not P. F to F is T. T to T is T, then T and then T. Remember that double imply mean here is left to right, right to left, you combine them both. Combined result T, T, T and T. Dear students, you can check from the last column. Your end product is all column is true, tautology. That's your table. Last truth table with that one. After that, question number 3, show that each of the statement is tautology. Each of the statement is tautology. In case of tautology, I told you the last column is all true. Question number 3. Show that each statement is tautology. For example, I am taking part number 1, P and Q to P. P and Q to P. We have two possibilities, P and Q. P and Q, and now P and Q, then last is P and Q to P. Here and mean intersection, and this implies, this is the logic, T, T, F, F, T, F, T, F, P and Q, this is T, and is definitely intersection, and there must be in both F, F and F. After that you can check P and Q to P, P and Q to P, T to T, T, F to T, T, F to F, T, and F to F is T. It is clear from the last column that statement is topology. Yes, that's your answer. I hope that with the help of previous ideas, you can understand very easily this one. And after that, we have part number 4, not Q and P to Q. Part number 4. Part number 4. Not P, not Q and P to Q. And P to Q. Not Q and P to Q to not P. To not P. Here you can check P and Q are there. Not P and not Q are there also. So make the column of P, Q, not P, not Q, P to Q. This is P to Q. Then not Q and P to Q, P to Q, not Q and P to Q, and at the end, not Q and P to Q to not P. To not P. There is two possibilities, TT, FF, TF, TF. Not P, opposite of P is F, F, T and T. Not Q is F, T, F and T. P to Q, P to Q. T to T is T, T to F is F, F to T is T, and F to F is T. Dear students, not Q and P to Q. Not Q and P to Q. You know that and mean intersection. In case of intersection, it must be in both. So here is F, F, F and T. Now from here to not P. From here to not P. Here. From here to not P. F to F is T. F to F is T. F to T is T. T to T is T. From the, it is clear from the last column that statement is tautology. So I think you have seen this question and you understood how to make the truth tables with the help of two members. I hope that inshallah you will do by yourself other parts. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.